Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about adding auto captions to your videos. Let's get started. After you import your video to your timeline, go to the Captions tab. Here you have 4 sections: Auto Captions, Templates, Auto Lyrics, and Add Captions. First, I'll skip Auto Captions for now because that's the most important part, so I can quickly go over the Templates, Auto Lyrics, and Add Captions. In the Templates section, you can choose a template for your captions that you want to generate, but I don't recommend generating captions like this, which I will show you why in just a minute. But if you want to generate them like this, just click on the template you want.
What separates me from a lot of people is they go in
and select generate captions. But in a minute I will show you why this is not a smart move. Then we have auto lyrics. This is better for music videos or if you just want to make captions for your song. This AI can better separate vocals from the instrumental, so it will understand the person rapping or singing better. If you have an outside file using the add captions, you can import your own captions. But now let's go back to auto captions. Here you have spoken language, where you can choose which language is being spoken in the video. And if there are 2 languages being spoken, like English and Spanish, you can choose the bilingual captions here. Then you can select if you want to identify filler words. Filler words include stuff like us, ohs, laughing, and stuff like that. I always like to keep it on. Before you generate, you can choose if you want to delete the current captions. If you already generated captions for your project in the past, this option will delete those ones and create completely new ones. Now, when you're ready, click generate. And as you can see, our captions are now located above our video layer. In the top right corner, you have 4 sections: captions, text, animation, and text-to-speech. In the captions section, you can change the timing and the wording of your captions if CapCut didn't get everything correctly. To check if it's correct, you can play your video.
What separates me from a lot of people is they go into a daunting task, and the task is overwhelming. Like when I heard the pull-up record was 4,020 pull-ups, and I was talking about breaking this record.
As you can see, I'd like to split this caption in 2. When he says a daunting task, and then the task is overwhelming. What I gotta do is press here, select where I want to split it, and press enter.
Daunting task, and the task is overwhelming.
Now it's time to customize your captions. Go to the text section, and here you have templates. This is why I think it's better to choose templates here and not before you generate the captions. Here you have a selection of literally hundreds or even thousands of the different templates.
When I heard the pull-up record was 4,020 pull-ups.
Choose whichever one you like.
What separates me from a lot of people is they go into a daunting task. What separates me from a lot of people is
when you have captions that you're happy with, but you want to change, let's say, only one part of the caption, deselect the option that says apply to all main captions, and now I can move or change the color of this part of the caption individually.
I heard the pull-up record was 4,020 pull-ups, and I was talking about breaking
the rest of the options for the captions are the same as for the normal texts. So if you want to learn everything you need to know about text and the text settings, I have a whole video dedicated just for that, so feel free to watch it. In the animation tab, instead of only having in, out, and loop like for the normal text, you now have captions. Here you have plenty of new caption animations that you can choose from.
And the task is overwhelming. And the task is overwhelming. And the task is overwhelming.
In the tracking section, you can choose if you want your caption to motion track a part of your video. Select what you want it to track and click start. Now, as you can see, the part I motion tracked is following his mouth. The last option we have is text-to-speech. You can select all your captions together. Using text-to-speech, you can generate an AI voice speech of the text that the auto captions have generated. I have a whole video dedicated just to text-to-speech, so if you want to learn more about that, feel free to check out the video on my channel.
What separates me from a lot of people is they go into a daunting task, and the task is overwhelming. Like when I heard the pull-up record was 4,020 pull-ups, and I was talking about breaking this record.
If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.